Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create sections in Google Forms. Now here we have Google Forms. I'll just go ahead and open up this form, for example, and we'll go ahead and add a section to this. That's very easy. Here on the right hand side, you can see this set of options. The last option is actually to add a section. So just go ahead and click on this. So this is section 1. And after this, we have added a new section. Okay, you can title this section if you would like. So let me just name it, for example, section 2. Okay, maybe section 1 was, multiple choice questions. Section 2 is longer form questions where you actually have to type in the answers. Okay, so you can set options. So what happens after section 1? So after section 1, if they fill this in, you continue to the next section, or you can go and send them to a specific section here, or just submit the form entirely. Okay, I'll just leave it to continue to new section, and let's go ahead and preview this. So someone comes here, fills in the first section. Okay, they just look at this, click here on next, and then they're taken to section 2. They answer everything and then submit that form. It's really that easy and simple.